Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WeChat on your desktop. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to have our WeChat app. So I'm just going simply to the Microsoft Store and search for the WeChat app. From here, I will just type WeChat and then I will find this WeChat app. I will just click on it, click on Get or Install. It will start downloading and set up automatically on my computer. So we will need just to wait for the app to download and install, and we can start using the app. And now that we have our WeChat application that is installed, we need just to search for the WeChat app from the searching bar. We click on the WeChat, and from here you can start logging in and scan to log in here. You can transfer files only or whatever you like, and basically we can start using the WeChat. And basically, you will need to scan to log in or have already an account on your mobile. If you don't, and if you already created a mobile account, you will need to have some confirmation from other users. Anyways, if you want to learn more about WeChat, you can just go to the WeChat website. And basically, as you can see here, this is uh, and make sure it is the WeChat. And from here, you can see that it is so similar of WhatsApp. And basically, you will find here your contacts and you can chat there. You click on any contacts that you already have and you can start sending messages. You can send and you can send also images, etc. So from here, you can restore or manage your profile by changing pictures or profile picture, etc. And from discover you can find as you can see other moments, channels, and you can go to the top stories, etc. So you can uh, meet more people. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.